Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Nora. Today I'll be making a review of Fair and White lotion. Before we start, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please let me free to subscribe so we can be one family. I have a whole lot of things to share on here with you guys. Please try to subscribe, like and share my video. So now let's jump into the video. The Fair and White lotion is a product I've used in the past and it gives good results if you know how to mix it. So on this video I'll be showing you a simple way you can make this lotion to give you good result, to give you that shiny, beautiful, glowing result. A lot of people have used Fair and White and it didn't really give them the kind of result they want. So I will show you a trick of how you can actually make the Fair and White lotion work for you. Now, when you get the Fair and White So White lotion, the big size, the big Fair and White, not the Maxitone, the Fair and White So White lotion. So the magic about this Fair and White mixture is the crystal white serum. The crystal white, not the triple action, and it is two. One is pink, one is yellow. Not the, I think one is triple action, one is double action. The yellow one is what you're meant to use for this mixing, not the pink one. Okay, I'll put the pictures so you understand what I mean. The fair and crystal white serum, the yellow one, the double action. So when you pour out the first part of the fair and white lotion, you remember I said you're supposed to mix it 3 times. So when you pour out the first part, you put one fair and white so white serum, one crystal white serum. Mix this and use it. The kind of glow this will give you, the glow will be blinding and it will blend your skin. You will not have a single knuckle. Okay, it's gonna give you this blinding, this beautiful glow, blended glow with no single spot. Trust me, I used this mixture for 2 years when I was a student. As a student, I used two good lotion stretch all through my university 4 years to 5 years. I used just these two products, and I'll be making a video about the product after making maybe a description. I'll make a description video about this Fair and White, and I'll still make a video about the other second lotion I used. I used this Fair and White mixture for 2 years, and my skin was, there's no day I step out people don't ask what do you use when I was using this mixture. That's before I joined organic, grew up. I was using this and it was nice. There's no day I step out people don't ask what do you use. The glow was crazy. So that's what you have to do. That's how the tricks. Now the remaining two parts, you don't need to use one crystal white for them. This first stage of mixing, second part, you don't need to use one crystal white. What you have to do is you get one crystal white, you use half for the other part and half for the last part. Then one Fair and White So White. Of course, Fair and White So White is gonna be 1 1 1. You understand? Then crystal white, one from the first stage because then you're trying to get your skin up. Then so it has to be one the first stage, then half part the second mixture, third the last mixture. I'll make a video to describe this, to demonstrate this. If you have a question, please drop on the comment section. If there's a video or something you want me to talk about on my channel, please indicate that on the comment section and I will do that. Okay, please like, subscribe and share my video. Try to subscribe on this channel. I have a whole lot of tips to give you on how to get good skin using simple products. Okay, I'll see you in my next one. Like, share and subscribe. Love you all. God bless you.